in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern EAS County in north-central Texas, southwestern Parker County in north-central Texas, southeastern Palo Pinto County in north-central Texas, northwestern Hood County in north-central Texas, until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:38 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Gordon, or 21 miles east of Ranger, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail and 65 miles per hour wind gusts.
I might need to hurry.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
Okay, it's finally
Locations impacted include Brock, Gordon, Lipan, Lake Palo Pinto, Horseshoe Bend, Toller, Mingus, New Salem, Brock Junction, Santo, Patillo, Dennis, Bennett, Thurber, Brazos, and Lone Cap. This includes Interstate 20 between mile markers 366 and 399. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
Is it a doubleheader?